Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae, and I'm back today with another video. In today's video, we have a part 3 of low income resources. So if you have not checked out part 1 and 2, I definitely will advise you to check out those before watching this video, because there's just some things you might miss. But for those that are tuning in for today's video, I'm going to tell you how to get cash for everything from emergency home repairs to tax rebates and relief and so much more. So if you want to know how to get this money, honey, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey, friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel, we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below and let me know that you roll with your girl. Now, guys, if you don't have Amazon Prime, I mean, I know what you're doing. Like, I just don't know, because I've been giving away for free, no credit card, no nothing, the entire time I've been on YouTube. So definitely click that link down in the description box and go ahead and get you some Amazon. Now, before we go ahead and jump into the video, definitely drop your state down below and let me know what assistance do you need, so I can definitely look for your state. Don't forget 211 is always available. And just thank you for all the love and comments that you show on these type of videos, because that's what makes me want to keep doing it and finding different things for you guys as well. So definitely check out installment 1, installment 2, and let me know what programs can you benefit from, and just also, what did you find interesting as well. All right, so let's go for the first resource. We're hitting all about the property tax freeze for my seniors. So if you are in St. Louis County right now, seniors are jumping at the opportunity to lock in their property tax freeze. Now, the applications opened up on October 1st, but there has been already a huge response. I think as of October 7th, they had over 11,000 applications submitted, 9,200 of those being done online. But if you have not submitted your application to have your tax freeze on there so your taxes don't go up, honey, you can do it. It's not too late. So to qualify for the senior tax freeze, you must be at least 62 years older, own your own property by the end of the year. And this has to be like your primary residence. So homes that you have that may be owned by businesses or corporations or LLCs, they don't apply. But this is a great way to freeze your property taxes at the current rate. So that way you're not hit with, like, if the taxes increase down the line at all. So this is one resource that's going to save you money. Now, in St. Louis County, you have until June 30th to go ahead and apply. June 30th of next year, 2025. So make sure you definitely take advantage of that. But also, if you're in Philadelphia, they are accepting applications for a similar tax relief program as well. So definitely check with your local offices. I know in Minnesota, they were doing like tax rebate checks, and they also did that with New York last year, where you were able to apply and receive $976 back. But speaking of, all right, so let's go ahead and kick things off with the money, honey, because in Salem, Massachusetts, the city did announce that they are offering a guaranteed income pilot program where they will give you $500 a month for the next year to 100 residents. But guys, the residents can apply for this program beginning on October 28th. So even though you apply, it is a lottery system. You do have to apply to actually be considered, but then they're going to select based on the lottery system. So they wanted to help 100 of the most vulnerable neighbors make ends meet in a time when it's really challenging, especially for low income and my seasoned seniors as well. So what I'm going to tell you guys is to go ahead and mark your calendar. I mean, this is $500 for 12 months. So that's what, $6,000. And yeah, you can go ahead and apply for it at no cost to you. And then, you know what, we're going to cross our fingers that you actually make the cut and you receive the money. More of laundry services, because guys, you can get free laundry services. Now, I didn't say a free washer and dryer. I said laundry services. All right, so for those that have been impacted by the recent hurricanes, of course, there is great news for you. The city of Tampa is stepping up and they're offering free laundry services to residents as well. But different states offer services like this as well. So like in Massachusetts, there's two laundromats that are in Fall River that are giving back laundry services every Wednesday for the month as well. So between like 9 a.m. and 12 p.m., you don't have to bring anything at all. They give you free washers, free dryers, detergent, dryer sheets, laundry bags, and even free Wi-Fi are being provided to those that are waiting. And this is the perfect way where you can handle your laundry for those that are facing hard times as well. I know in Rochester, New York, they're taking it a step further and they have a new pilot program where they'll be providing free laundry cards to like the homeless or seniors as well. Now, this initiative, they're going to start off with distributing 100 single-use laundry cards for the remainder of the fiscal year. And then this could serve as, they said, a model for other cities as well. So it's all about helping those that are in the communities where they need it most. So I thought this was a great idea as well. And I really like this, especially if other states can catch on. Now, also for my seniors, for tip number 4, we have chore assistance. Now, Chore Assistance, guys, in Michigan, they have where the Holly Township Senior Chore Program. They're there to help those that are 62 years old or older, and then those that have a disability with things like lawn mowing, yard cleanup, brush trimming, and gutter cleaning as well. To qualify for a chore assistance program, you would need to live on your own or in your home where your income limits, will meet the under the federal poverty level. Now, there are certain income limits that you have to meet, but this is perfect for seniors who struggle with keeping up with their yards and their homes. And this is another way where you can stay independent without breaking the bank. If you watched my last video, I talked about the snow removal assistance as well. This is kind of different because it does yard work versus the snow removal was just there to like salt your sidewalks and walkways and actually remove snow. And then there was a 3-inch requirement that you had to have. But with the senior chore assistants, they can come out and do yard work, like I said, cleaning those gutters and bushes and branches and getting those different things that you're unable to get as well. So definitely, if this is something that you think that you may qualify for, do it. I know in California, they also have another senior chore assistance, but they actually come in and help in the home. So they'll come in and they have volunteers that will help you with washing clothes or washing dishes or getting those areas in the house that you're unable to keep up with. Now, I'll put that in the description box as well, but that's a different type of chore assistance. So if you're going to be searching for items like this in your state, you can look at chore assistance or even senior help as well, because they do have volunteers that will come out and help you as well. All right, let's go ahead and move on to emergency home repairs, because my folks in Arlington, Texas, if you are dealing with things like a sewer or a broken air conditioner or any other thing that may needs a repair, and this can cause you like some serious cash, right? Well, now we got help for you. All right. The Arlington Housing Authority, they do offer an emergency repair grant. Now, a grant, guys, you do not have to pay back. A loan you must pay back. A grant you get to keep. But this will give low income homeowners $10,000 for urgent repairs. Now, this program is only available to homeowners that live in the Arlington area. And then you must meet the income requirements, which is about 80% of the area median income level, according to HUD as well. Now, the repairs can be things like that threaten your life, your health, your safety. So, like a broken air conditioner in the Texas heat, or even plumbing. Like, just remember that your property taxes need to be up to date, one, on the house. So you can't have where you haven't paid your taxes on the house. You cannot try to put the house up for sale and trying to get them to go ahead and do these repairs for you. But this grant is really a lifesaver, and it's a one-time grant that's available every 3 years as well. So look into it. So this is how you do it, guys. You take option 1 that I gave you, go ahead and lock in your taxes and make sure your taxes are up to date, and then you apply for the grant. Now, also the USDA, they do have different low income loans as well that they give out for those that stay in rural areas. So if you are looking where you want to pay the money back or need a little bit of extra cash, you can look into the USDA as well. And they have those type of loans, but we ain't trying to pay that money back. Okay. We want a grant. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to for our last resource. We have wellness screenings for men and women's health. I want to remind everyone that we know that there's so many screenings that are going on in October, such as like Breast Cancer Awareness Month, but there are also so many screenings that go on throughout the year. Of course, like your mammograms and cervical screenings, but they also have like dental assistance or dental screenings as well for those that are uninsured as well. And especially if you haven't had any health assistance within the past year. So it's definitely important to go ahead and take advantage of these early detection services. In some areas now, they have started even installing blood pressure screenings in even machines at local libraries as well. So this is free, just ways to help you stay on top of your health because, guys, staying on top of your health, I mean, you know, your health is wealth. This is what you have. And a lot of these resources that I try to find, hopefully it makes it a lot easier for you. So this is what we have today. I hope that you guys thought that these were some amazing resources for my seniors and low income families, whether you're trying to lock in with your property taxes or get a check. Okay, or get a check for home repairs. I'm talking about the $10,000, or even just taking care of your laundry, screenings as well. These programs are out here to designed to make your life a lot easier. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, definitely share it with a friend. Check out the other two installments as well. As guys, get some Amazon Prime. It's absolutely free. It doesn't cost you anything. And please like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you later, Gator. Bye, guys.